Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. It is so important to me to make sure I get enough protein after my hard workouts. And these Built Bars really help me to achieve that. Not to mention how delicious they are. I feel like they are really filling, and I love the variety of flavors that come in this Variety 12 pack. It gives me the opportunity to try different flavors and also different types of bars. The regular Built bars are more chewy, and the puff bars are more airy, but they're both delicious. I can't decide which is my favorite Built bar, but with this Variety 12 pack, I don't have to choose. I get to try all different flavors. And I truly look forward to eating these. They're a nice little reward after a workout, and they're also great as a snack. And that's my point of view.